In travel news for March 22nd, 2022, we have COVID policy updates for those traveling to Italy and Aruba. And the TSA is getting an upgrade straight out of science fiction. But before we get into that, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. The Transportation Security Administration will soon be rolling out a security scanner that's straight out of a science fiction movie. The new scanner will create a three-dimensional view of bags being scanned. This new scanner should allow for passengers to keep more items in their bags when passing through security checkpoints, and hopefully will decrease the number of in-person inspections of carry-on items in security lines, and thereby decreasing wait times. It is worth noting that those who have TSA PreCheck currently can keep more items in their bags, such as laptops and liquids. This new technology will mainly benefit those travelers that currently don't have TSA PreCheck. Aruba, the popular Caribbean destination, has lifted almost all COVID travel restrictions. Travelers to Aruba will no longer be required to show proof of a negative COVID test or proof of vaccination. Travelers arriving in Aruba will still be required to obtain Aruba Visitors Insurance, and they will need to complete the embarkation and debarkation card. The Aruba Visitors Insurance covers many of the costs associated with a COVID-19 infection while on the island. Italy is continuing to phase out COVID restrictions. Starting May 1st, the Green Pass will no longer be required to dine in a restaurant, use public transportation, check into a hotel, or really do anything of interest within Italy. And on March 31st, Italy will allow the state of emergency, which was put in place to deal with the COVID pandemic, to expire. These changes will make visiting this popular European destination easier for both vaccinated and unvaccinated travelers. This announcement comes weeks after Italy dropped the pre-arrival testing requirement for fully vaccinated travelers. Unvaccinated travelers are still required to show proof of a negative COVID test or proof of recovery from COVID within the previous 6 months. And all travelers are still required to fill out a passenger locator form before arrival. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, or any travel questions at all, please ask in the comments or visit our website to get in touch with us. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We publish new videos almost daily, unless we're traveling. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.